everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in, and thank you for stopping by. Happy new month to every one of you, and good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. If today is your first time in this channel, please do not hesitate to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so guys, I want to do a review here today. So I have done this video before, and I want to do it again because I have been receiving some comments. People are asking me how are they going to get these teas that I'm reviewing here. So first of all, I have a lot of tea here that I'll be reviewing today. Okay, so first of all, I will show you this. This is my amazing Slimmy tea. Okay, I've been taking this tea now for the past 8 months, getting to 1 year. So this tea is very, very good. I have explained before, if you want to do this tea, it doesn't need hot water. So I'll be reading the directions here. I hope you guys can see it. I don't know. So I'll be reading the direction here so that you guys will listen to me very well. They wrote, do not use boiling or hot water. And do not boil Slimmy. Simple pour a cup of cold water over a tea bag of Slimmy and let steep for about 30 minutes. Then sip the clean tea, 1 dose 2 times daily, to be taken in the morning and before sleeping. So this one, you use cold water to make it. It's very, very good, guys. It's good for most especially for those people who don't normally go to toilet. Okay, sorry for using that word. So it's good for people who don't normally go to toilet. For example, there are a lot of people now, whenever they eat food, it takes them 2 days, 3 days for them to go to toilet. But with this tea, when you drink it in the morning with an empty stomach, then before going to bed, you take another cup again. It will help you. It will help you very well to go to toilet. You know, your stomach will be free. You will be feeling light. So this one is very, very good. I've been taking it now for the past 8 months, getting to 1 year that I've been taking this tea. So this one is for Slimmy tea. This one will help you a lot. Okay, so I'll be taking it. You can see it all over me. So this one is very, very nice. And again, I have this one here. This is Tè Verde. So this one is an Italian product. This is an Italian tea. This one is good for nervous. Okay, so you know there are a lot of people now, whenever they go to work or whenever they come back home, they feel nervous, you know, shutting up and down. You just feel how will I say, Italy we say agitato. So with this tea, just open one bag, put it in hot water, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then you can put lime inside, mix it and drink it, or you can drink it like that without sugar, or you can still take it with honey. This one will help you a lot. It helps you to relax. It helps you to relax. So this one is very, very good also. You can see now I still have a lot here. So sometimes I just feel like taking it if I want to relax. Maybe at times if my kids, when they come back from school in the afternoon after doing their homework or before doing their homework, I just feel like, you know, I want to stay alone, just relax in my room. I just boil this one, then I drink it. I just relax, watching my TV, or I can still play games in my phone. That's what I normally do with this one. This one is very, very good also. You can get this one at the Italian store. If you live in Italy or if you live in any part of the Europe, you can get this one at the store. Okay, it's not that too cost. It's very, very affordable. So, and I have this one. Oh my God, this one is perfect. This is Twinings. Remember guys, this video is not sponsored by anybody. I'm just doing this video to help. Okay, I'm doing it to help. I have seen a lot of people, you know, body shaming each other, insulting people on social media. Oh, look at your fat tummy, you that have only 2 kids or 3, look at the way you are. No, that one has to stop. You need to take good care of your body. Okay, you need to take good care of yourself. So this one is Twinings London. So this one, they also sell this one at the supermarket. It's very easy to get, and it's very, very affordable. So this one is made of ginger and lemongrass. ginger and lemongrass. You guys know that ginger is very, very helpful in our body. It can help you to reduce weight, it can help you to reduce appetite. So ginger is very, very good. And lemongrass, or with lemon. So this one is made with hot water. So this one is made with hot water, because the writing here is Italian language. I hope not everybody understands Italy. Okay, so I will just explain how it works. So this one, you just boil water, then you take one bag out of it, because it is finished now. I don't have it yet. So when I go out, I'm going to buy another one. So this one, you just put it inside hot water and leave it for 5 minutes. You press lemon inside, or you can add honey inside. You drink it in the morning with empty stomach. You drink it in the morning. So it will help you. This one help to fight how did they say it? If you have catarrh, okay, if you have catarrh or cough, you have cracked throat, this one help to fight it. Because I remember every year I normally have that problem of a catarrh, cough, you know, those you know, I'm allergic to flowers. Yes, I remember when my son was still in nursery school. Whenever I want to take my son to bus station, because they have this bus that normally take them to school. So the place I normally follow, there are flowers over there. Whenever I go there, oh my God, before 2 or 3 days, you will see me, catarrh will start running out of my nose, cough, you know, I don't talk well. So I'm allergic to flowers. That is the reason why I normally take this one. Whenever I go out, before I sleep, I just boil one, then I drink it. It's very, very good. If you are that kind of person, allergic to flowers, or you normally have that problem of cough, catarrh, you know, cracked throat, this one is good for you, because it's made with ginger and lemongrass. Then another one here. This one actually is just like Lipton. This one is just like Lipton. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I use it to do my tea. Very simple. I use it to do my tea. But if I don't want to add milk inside, I can just boil it and drink it like that. So this is English breakfast. I hope you can see it there. I don't know if you can really see it. Okay. This is English breakfast. This one also, you can get it at the supermarket. Look guys, all these teas here are affordable. Okay, they are affordable. Like this one now, it's not up to 30 euro. You can get it. You can get it. So it's very, very affordable. So if you want to look healthy, if you want to live good, you need all these things. Let me tell you one secret, guys. You know these American hip-hop stars, I know many of them, they do plastic surgery just to keep fit. You know, some of them, they remove fat in their tummy, they remove fat in their body just to look fit. But not only that one cannot solve their problem. What they normally do is all this, you can see them, all this tea. Like one day I was watching is it Kim Kardashian or Rihanna? So there is one station that I was watching her. When she wake up in the morning, the first thing she does is to take her cup of tea or coffee. Yeah, cup of tea or coffee is very, very good. That will help you keep your shape. Like this one, and no matter what you eat, but eat healthy, okay? Don't just eat anything, okay? Just eat healthy, eat regular. Like some people now, they eat every 2 hours. They must surely put something in their mouth every 2 hours, which is very bad. You have to mind the way you eat, the quantity of food you eat, okay? It doesn't matter what you eat. Like some people now, they like African people, they like eating beans, they like eating akpu, they like eating yams. But I see nothing bad in it, but you have to limit the way you eat, the quantity of food you eat. Like me, my favorite food is rice. I can eat rice throughout the day, but I mind the way I eat it, okay? I mind the quantity that I eat. So if you want to look healthy, if you want to look beautiful, mind the kind of food you eat. And make sure in your house you have all this tea, okay? It's very, very helpful. Then I have another one here. This is T-Toss 14-day Extreme Detox Weight Loss. This one is for weight loss. I have finished one packet. Then this one, I have this one left. I still have some inside. You can see I still have some bags inside. So this one, if you are taking this one here, if you are taking this one here, make sure you eat well before taking this one, because this one is very powerful. I can't lie to you guys, this one is very, very powerful, and it's very good also. When you drink this one under 2 hours, you will see the reaction. Yeah, you will see the reaction. So this one, let me read it for you, because there are some directions here how to take it. They wrote and said, drink every day. Add 1 tea bag to cup. Pour a cup of near boiling water. This one is made with boiled water. Okay? Over 1 tea bag and leave to infuse for at least 5 to 7 minutes before drinking. 1 tea bag for 1 to 3 times a day. This one you can take it 1 to 3 times in a day. So it's very, very good. Okay, very, very good. And again, before drinking it, let me read on that. It said recommended for adults only. This one is not for kids, please. And if you are pregnant, don't try and take this. Okay, if you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding baby, this one is not for you. Please see your doctor before drinking any slimmy or any tea. Okay, because if you are breastfeeding and if you are pregnant, this tea is not for you. You see these 2 types of tea here, it's not for you. Okay, if you are breastfeeding and if you are pregnant, this tea is not for you. So let me read the direction. They said recommended for adults only. If you are taking prescription medication or are pregnant, you see, if you are pregnant or nursing, that's what I said before. If you are pregnant or nursing mother, consult your health care. Drink every morning or before a workout. This tea is best absorbed with food. Avoid taking with an empty stomach. Avoid taking with an empty stomach. He said this tea is best absorbed with food. So before taking this one, see it here, before taking this one, you need to eat well. Make sure you eat well. Don't take it with an empty stomach. Okay? So that is it for that one. And again, this is Nescoffee Gold. I did a video about this one. I did 3 days challenge about this Nescoffee Gold. Trust me, it's very, very good. This one is also affordable. I think it's €5.99. Yeah, I got it at the supermarket. Actually, my husband bought it for me. When my husband went out, I just called him. I said, if you are coming, buy Nescoffee for me. I wanted to use that dark one, the bitter one. So that one, they don't have it that day. So he decided to buy this one for me. This is Nescoffee Gold Cappuccino. So this cappuccino is also good. When you wake up in the morning, just boil water, take 1 cup, 1 spoon, put it inside your cup, then you drink it. Leave yourself about 30 to 1 hour before taking breakfast. So it's going to help you, wash your stomach and all those things. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question to ask, please go for the description box below. Ask me any question, because I'm used to these teas. Yeah, I'll be taking them. This one is not harmful for me, because I'm not pregnant, I'm not breastfeeding. Whenever I wake up, I just take them. So if you are pregnant or you are still a nursing mother, please stay away from these teas. Don't take it. Before taking anything, you have to consult your doctor. Okay? So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. In case you have any question, go down for the description box below. Make your comment there. Ask me any question and I'm going to answer you. So if you are looking for a place to get this, I don't actually know, but as for the other ones, all this one, you can get them at big supermarket, not small supermarket, because I've seen so many comments. People are asking me, oh, where can I buy the tea? How can I get it? You can get it at the supermarket. if you go to supermarket, add those people who are working there. You are looking for slimmy tea, or you are looking for so tea like this. You can see this one is Twinings, the other one is slimmy tea, the other one is star tea. They have names, okay? So you will get them at the supermarket. Thank you all guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please stay safe, stay healthy, eat good, and remain blessed till I come your way again. Bye bye.